Quilt Nation, Quilt Marine here. So we're done with our 3D Joint Forces quilt. So we're going to pull it down. We're going to pack it. It's going to look like this. Okay, so that's what it's going to look like in the box. That's what Andrew's going to get when we send it. And we move on. Okay. So recently I've been really obsessing about doing a Punisher quilt. And I've been running it by Andrew. And we might do a pixelated one maybe, but not like he does. He does these, man, like 1.5 inch pixelations of his quilts that are great. He's got one I'm pressuring him to do of the Lincoln Monument, and I'm hoping he gets on that. But anyway, I digress. All right, so I want to do like probably maybe a 5 inch pixelated Punisher quilt where the background fabric is black, but with different tones of black, different shades of black, pixelated, and the skull itself pixelated in different tones of white. Maybe throw some other stuff in there, but you could tell what it is, right? And we're not doing like the kids version. We're doing like a version you would give to your, adult son or your husband, or even a woman who's a Punisher fan. Okay. But this is something that I want to build coming up. Been thinking about it. It's been on my brain a lot. So we're probably going to work on it here soon once I get the details worked out. Okay, but I also have another thing coming down the pipeline. And we're going to work on that. But I'm waiting for the fabric to show up. And that's going to be the Labyrinth Walk. We're going to do the Labyrinth Walk. But I'm waiting for these fabrics to show up that are coming from Bernard Tex. I like their stuff. And once it gets here, we're going to work on the Labyrinth Walk. There's a couple of things we're going to be working on. Okay, no worries, don't worry. After this, I won't be taking those like large breaks. Okay, I'm in the zone right now. Rob and Andrew got me, on my path. And this is why I need them in my life. But we're done with this. All right, you're done seeing this. You're not going to see this anymore. It's out of here. Next time you see it, it'll come back from my brother, and we'll take a look at it. Okay, no worries. But I really appreciate you guys' support. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And remember, it's only fabric and it's only thread.